Here we go. It's dark. A little humid. So we're waiting for the fireworks right now. It's about to happen in like a minute. So I'm just waiting. There's a lot of people. It's a lot of people. That's crazy how many people there is. Oh. All right, forget about me. Hey, that's fire. Let me zoom out a little. Happily ever after.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be.
I have a dream.
All we have to do is look inside our hearts.
Hold my hand, G.
Yeah. Nah, chill. Get a kumbaya there.
Love you too, bro.
Huh? Zoom out a little bit so we can see all that.